Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in, back with another video a day till this channel hits 100K. Today I am announcing the winner of my giveaway of the Remarkable 2. The Remarkable is a digital notepad which I use all of the time. It's an awesome device. There's actually arguments to say that people actually like the Remarkable 2 more than the Remarkable Paper Pro, which is the new version, but the new version is color. This is black and white. This is actually the second giveaway. If you go over to gearsandgadgets.com and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see I gave away my old Banks iDash, which I upgraded. Instead of doing what a lot of YouTubers do, which is buy devices, flip them, buy another one to keep the content flowing, I'm gonna start giving away some things that have just been sitting around that basically I could turn around and sell for a few $100 probably, but why not give this stuff away to the viewers, those of you who support the channel. So again, go over to gearsandgadgets.com and you'll see the next item for giveaway, which as I'm filming the video is not up yet. We will talk about what that is here in a moment. You can see I've got the motorcycle behind me. Am I going big? Now I'm gonna try to do these every single month. I have a few things that I've already got kind of queued up, ready to rock and roll for the next few months. I think next month it might be a GPS handheld unit. Stay tuned for that. Not sure if that's where we're going yet. So what I'm going to do is run these just beginning of month to the end of the month, draw the winner on the first of the following month or close to it, and then just kind of keep on rolling with that. So to the Remarkable entries. So again, this is the Remarkable 2. We had 260 entries total, and we are going to draw our winner. Without further delay, let's go ahead and draw that winner. One winner draw, let's go. Amanda Go. That's who won. So Amanda, this will be coming out to you very soon. We'll blur out all your information out of Florida. I will be reaching out to Amanda via email and get that out in the mail this week. So really a big fan of doing these drawings. I also need to make sure that I'm blurring out people's names here so that I'm not doxing people or giving away email addresses. But I do like to do these drawings on video so that you guys see I am actually giving this stuff away. So we will get that out this week. So the next item that I'm going to be putting up that you guys can go to gearsandgadgets.com to enter for. You see the Harley sitting here? Are we going big? Not yet. This is the Dynojet Power Vision. This is the Power Vision 4. This was actually sent out to me quite a while ago to do a video on. Now, I actually ended up never doing a video on this because I already have the OG Power Vision mounted up on the dash. I've got it target tuned. It's all hooked up. And when Dynojet sent this out to me, I basically told them, like, hey, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense for me to disconnect all of my stuff just to show the Power Vision 4. So it's been sitting on my shelf, but it is ready to go to a new home. Again, Dynojet Power Vision 4. This will be up running through the end of July. So you can go over to gearsandgadgets.com and that giveaway will be over there. Now these Power Visions are absolutely awesome for tuning your Harley-Davidson, especially when you start getting into doing things like aftermarket exhausts, air cleaners, all that kind of stuff. It's great to be able to do that tuning. Well, with the Power Vision 4, you don't have to really worry about doing anything super crazy like I have. You don't need to mount this to the bars or anything. You basically just need to plug this in to the OBD2 port, which is right down here on the left leg side. Plug it in and then hooks up to your phone, and that is it. So this Power Vision 4 works for 2011 through 2020 Harley-Davidsons. And as you scroll down here, there is an app that you would download, and everything that I do on my Power Vision that is mounted up on the bars, you have access to basically in the app there and can do all of those tuning parameters, which is pretty awesome. Coming down here to all of the feature sets, you can see with the Power Vision that I have, you know, you can do a lot, actually sometimes more with the Power Vision 4 than some of the things that I can do. But I do like having that screen mounted up on the bars, and that's just kind of the way that I'm going to continue running my Harley-Davidson because I like it that way. So again, today I just wanted to do a video announcing the winner and providing the new product for giveaway through the end of July. So again, enter over at gearsandgadgets.com. This prize has a value, or right now it's $364, but it's marked down from $455. Pretty cool devices, and I am super thrilled to get this out to somebody else who can use it. So with that being said, thank you guys very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. I will see you guys next time. I am going to do some Harley content this month to promote this giveaway, which, by the way, last month I did a terrible job reminding you guys to enter into the Remarkable. So Amanda, you had a much better shot because I was terrible at being a YouTuber. So I will see you guys tomorrow.